Good morning to all of you. You are most welcome again in this session. Today I am going to teach you the algebraic expression. It is the second part of the video. Okay, last class we learned the algebra. What is the algebra? Okay, and here we are going to learn the further. Okay, last day I have taken one example that you know the formula. Perimeter of the square, the perimeter of a square equal to 4 into side. If we denote perimeter by P and side for S, P into S, P equal to 4 into S, where P stands for perimeter, S stands for side. Here we use some symbols, two symbols P and S. Okay, if we put if S equal to 2, then P equal to 2 into, if S equal to 2 centimeter, then P equal to 2 into 2 centimeter, it means 4 centimeter. P equal to 4 centimeter. It means S and P also denotes a number. It says a number. It indicates a number. That is called literals. What is literals? That is called literals. S and P are called literals. Okay? And these two varies. If the value is changing, if value change, S change. If S equal to 4 centimeter, then P equal to 2 into 4 centimeter, 8 centimeter. It means P, if S changes, if S change, so P also change. It means these are varies, and which varies, it is called variables. What is? These two are called variables, and 4, that is constant, don't change, it never change, it is called constant. Okay, so it has two type of numbers, P and S, that is literals, and that is numeral. So P and S that is, these are called variables because it changes, and 4 does not change. That's why it is called constant, and this is called constant term. These are variable terms. What is? Which varies, x, y, z, whatever you have taken, that is called variables, and which is constant 1, 2, 3, 4. These are constant term. Okay, I hope you got it. Now, when we use, so what is the constant? Constant, we take 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the constant, and variables, we take any symbol, any letter, that is A, B, C, okay, X, Y, Z, or what. These are variables because these values varies. Now, when we use these two terms with some mathematical symbols, some arithmetic symbols. Arithmetic symbols means plus, minus, multiplication, division symbols, and add. Suppose that 3x square plus 5. Okay, I have taken one example, 3x square plus 5. So I have used some symbols, one symbol, that is a plus. So when the constant in here, first we know x square, that is variable, and 3 is constant. So there are two type of term, variable term, that is now here 5 is also constant, and that is variable. Okay, and but when we use variable or constant with or plus or minus or whatever, I take one more example. Suppose that x square y minus y square z plus 3. This is, so here three terms are taken in two, there are two mathematical symbols plus and minus are used. That's why it is called algebraic expression. Algebraic expression when two or more than two terms are used or written with some mathematical symbol, this is called algebraic expression. This is algebraic expression. Okay, now according to the terms, here terms, how many terms are used? 1 and 1 2. Here 1 2 3, 3 terms. 1 2 terms, here 3 terms. So according to the terms, number of terms, we divide algebraic expression in some parts, that is called, now we learn that first number. If any algebraic expression have one term 3x square only or xy, only one term, so this is called monomial. What is monomial? Okay, and when it contains two terms, two terms 1 2 1 2, so this is called binomial. Why? Mono means one, bi means two. Okay, and when we have three terms, three terms 1 2 3, so this is trinomial. Okay, so it goes on, and when now one more, polynomial. What is polynomial? Polynomial, poly means that is called countless or more than one or more than two. When any terms when any algebraic expression have two or more than two terms are called polynomials. Okay, once again, when any algebraic expression have two or more than two or more than two terms is called polynomials. Okay, I hope you got it. Now we learn about factors. Suppose that now first we understand, that is with the help of an example 3x square y. Okay, here now there are two types of symbols are used, 3 and x square y. This is constant and this is variables. Okay, this is constant term and this is variables. So constant terms are called constant factor and variables are called variables factor. Okay. Or another way we say that is variable factor, or this is called literal factor. Literal factor and constant factor, or this is called also numerical factor. Numeral factor. Constant terms is called numeral factor or constant factor, or x square y, that is called variable factor or literal factors. Okay, in your book given literal factor, that is numeral factor. That these are factors. And one more thing, that is one more, that coefficients. Coefficient. Which one is coefficient? Now, I'm taking one example, 3x square y. Okay, so 3 is called numeral factor and x square y, that is literal factor. Or you can memorize that letters are used, that's why it is called literal factors, that is numbers are used, so this is called numeral factors. Okay, you memorize numbers we call numeral factor and letters we call literal factor. Now, so here in literal factor we know that to write the coefficient. Coefficient means multiples. We can say in easy way, coefficient of x square. If we have to write coefficient of x square, we will write coefficient of x square is what? 3y. Okay, and coefficient of y, that is 3x square. Okay, when you ask that write the coefficient of y, so what is that? 3x square. Or coefficient of x square, that is 3y. Coefficient of x square 3y and coefficient of y, that is 3x square. And here we learn that factors. What is the factor? There are two types of factors. Numeral we say numeral factor, numbers we say numeral factors, and letters are called literal factors. Okay, I hope you got it. Now we solve some examples, and before that also given that is like terms and unlike terms. Now that is also we learn like terms and unlike terms. What is like terms in unlike? In algebraic expression, suppose that I am writing 3x square y minus xy square and plus 3yx square. Okay, so here which one? Or here 3 we can say y square x. 3x square y minus xy square plus yx square. So we look that is yx square. Here also yx square. So both are like terms and these are unlike terms. We can say like term is both are like term, and unlike term which one? Minus xy square, and that is yx square. These are unlike terms because y have 1 here power and y have here 2 power. Okay, that is y squared, and here y, here x, and here x square. That's why this is unlike terms and these are like terms. Okay, I hope you got it. Now we solve some exercise.